Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. Today, we will show you the best way to insert a PDF into an Archicad file you are working on. We will also demonstrate how to set the correct scale for the drawing you are inserting. The first step is to go to the File option, then External Content, and finally select Place External Drawing. Choose the desired PDF file. Once you have inserted the desired file, select it and right-click to choose Explode into Current View, then simply click OK. You can adjust the color of the lines and other properties based on the layers present in the PDF file. With this command, we have created a line drawing based on the PDF. Now, it is necessary to delete the PDF file, that is, the image underneath the line drawing, which is grouped. To ungroup the drawing, select it and use the command control +Shift+G. But first, let us show you how to set the correct scale for the drawing. If the drawing is dimensioned, select the entire drawing and use the command control +K to set the correct scale, as demonstrated in the video. Mark 2 points whose true dimensions you know, and then using the R key, enter the correct distance. And that's all for this tutorial. Finally, just ungroup the drawing and that's it. Thank you for your attention once again.